Welcome to video number 1. If you didn't catch it from the intro, this channel is going to be primarily development content, but geared towards designers, or I guess really anybody who's looking to get some front-end knowledge. But ideally, I'll be posting videos once a week related to product design, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, motion for the web, and all of that good stuff in the form of tutorials. So I don't think this is going to be an overly technical channel where we dive too deep into the ins and outs of code, but more or less just equip you with the base knowledge to get up and running so that you can build things on your own. The reason that I'm doing all of this is that I really feel there's a ton of value in learning all this stuff as a designer, but it can also be extremely intimidating trying to find a good place to start. And I'm not here to sell you courses or put content behind a paywall, but more or less, share some of the things that I really wish someone else would have taught me when I was looking to get into this industry and when I was just starting out. So if you're interested in building some fun stuff, please stick around. Feel free to sub to the channel. I would really appreciate it as I'm getting this thing up and running. I'm not 100% sure what it's going to be yet, but I'm truly excited about where it's going. And I've also set up a Discord server that anyone's welcome to join, ask questions, leave feedback, suggest content, hang out, collaborate, whatever it may be. That'll be a good place to do that. So if you've made it this far, thank you. I really do mean it. And I'm excited to see where this thing goes.